A group of engineering students from Brigham Young University just pulled off something that sounds almost unreal. At the Indianapolis Motor Speedway, their custom-built vehicle managed an incredible 2,145 miles per gallon during the Shell Eco Marathon. That number is so extreme that the same amount of fuel could theoretically take the car from Provo, Utah, all the way to New York City. The competition brought together nearly 80 student teams from across the Americas, all focused on one challenge: travel the farthest distance while using the least amount of fuel possible. Every team had to drive a set course while judges carefully measured efficiency. Even tiny details mattered, because something as simple as strong wind resistance could completely affect the final result. The BYU team showed up with a futuristic three-wheeled machine wrapped in lightweight carbon fiber. Before the driver even climbed inside, the vehicle weighed just 108 pounds. The cockpit was so compact that drivers had to meet strict size requirements, staying under 5 feet 4 inches tall and under 120 pounds. Comfort clearly wasn't part of the plan. There was no air conditioning, no entertainment system, and no unnecessary controls. Everything inside the vehicle existed for one reason only: maximum efficiency. Power came from a tiny engine fueled by only 30 milliliters of ethanol. The students specifically chose ethanol because even though it contains less energy than gasoline, it allows the engine to operate at a higher compression ratio. That setup worked perfectly within the rules of the competition and helped squeeze every possible mile out of each drop of fuel. The car wasn't built for speed either. Its top speed was only about 23 miles per hour, which turned out to be the ideal balance between movement and efficiency. The driver also avoided using the brakes whenever possible, instead letting the car coast naturally to preserve momentum and save energy. Around 20 mechanical engineering students worked together on the project for months. Each team focused on different parts of the car. Some designed the body panels, others tuned the drivetrain, while another group studied airflow and reduced weight wherever they could. Faculty advisor Dale Tree explained that the project was really about teamwork, with every component treated as its own engineering challenge rather than one person building the entire vehicle alone. Club president Camille Nobrega said the long hours became easier as the competition got closer because the team pushed each other forward. After spending 3 years with the group, she said everyone's dedication helped bring the project together and made the final achievement even more rewarding. What makes this story so impressive is that it's not coming from a major car company with unlimited funding. It's a group of students proving just how far creativity, teamwork, and smart engineering can go. Even though this tiny vehicle isn't something you'll see on public roads anytime soon, the technology and lessons behind it could help shape the future of fuel efficiency for years to come.